What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video I'm going to show you how to log into Clipchamp account on your laptop. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in Clipchamp and then you will see this first official link of Clipchamp. Just simply click on this link and after clicking on this link you will see this type of dashboard of Clipchamp where you can see multiple features, create, for work, learn, pricing and about. And if you want to try it for free, just click on try it for free. But in this video we are logging in the account, so click on sign in, and after clicking on sign in you can see I am directly being redirected to the home page of Clipchamp because I already have logged in my account. So I'll just simply sign it for you guys, and after signing out I can continue with my Microsoft, continue with my email, continue with my Google. So for now, I will continue with Google. So after that, after entering my email, as you can see, it is signing me in and I am successfully signed in into Clipchamp. So this is how you can log into Clipchamp account online on your laptop or on any of your devices. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.